What is up, Mythic Crew? This is Seth and I'm back. We're doing the 350Z today, got it on the frame rack. As you can see, ripping off the front bumper. Buddy's ripping off the side skirt so we can mount it up.
Now my buddy is going to jack up the back of the car, put a bracket onto the pinch welds, and clamp them to this frame rack so that we can start to pull on the front frame rails that are bent on this 350Z. This is the system that shows you the measurements along with these pieces which allow you to do laser measurement from underneath the vehicle.
The damage is kind of weird with the way that it buckles.
Now that everything's set up, we are hooking this piece onto the front frame rail and pulling it to try to get it to come out because it is pushed in from a front end collision that happened before I got the vehicle. This is not going to be perfect. The only way to get this completely right would be to replace this front frame rail. I'm trying to make it as good as I can without having to do that because currently I don't have the resources. Now that we've done quite a bit of pulling, we are test fitting this piece onto the front, and I will also be putting on the bumper to see how everything starts to line up and make sure that what we're doing is correct, not just by measurements but by panel fit.
There's so many more projects. I think this might be the last one. Oh no, I'm just kidding. I don't have as many fun projects like this. What?
I will be up and partially on here.
Alright, looks like we're gonna call it for today. We got plenty done on the Z, pulled the one rail, we're gonna pull the other rail tomorrow, got the front end taken apart. We've test fitted some of the panels, trying to get everything lined up as well as we can. See y'all tomorrow. We are back at it again today. We are ready to keep pulling on this 350Z, working on the front frame rails here. Try to get everything lined up a little bit better so I can start the body work on it. We did a whole bunch of work. We got this rail right here lined up quite a bit better. Got it ready for new bolts because they were cross-threaded by the other person putting the wrong bolts in there.
This was the final pull, and then we cut the headlight brackets so that I could make them fit custom and be more adjustable.
Been a long couple days with the 350Z on the frame rack. It's finally off and we finished it. It's all right. Still needs a bunch of work, but that's it for this video. See you on the next one.